In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and import contacts to a Mailchimp audience from a file. We'll start right on the Mailchimp homepage. Make sure you're signed in and looking at your dashboard. At the top, open the audience section. This is where all of your subscribers live and where you manage who gets your emails. Once you're on the audience dashboard, look for the Add Contacts option. Before we bring in a full list from a file, it's helpful to add a single contact first so you can see the essential fields and how Mailchimp stores information. Choose Add a Single Contact. You'll land on a form. Begin by entering the person's email address. This is the only truly required piece of information for most audiences, but the more complete your data is, the better your personalization and segmentation will be later. Next, check the box that says, "This person gave me permission to email them." This is important. Mailchimp, and email marketing in general, relies on consent. Only add people who have opted in so your deliverability stays healthy and you remain compliant with laws like CAN-SPAM and GDPR. From there, fill in the first name and last name fields so you can personalize subject lines and greetings. If you have it, complete the address section. Physical address data can support location-based segments and postcard campaigns, and it helps with compliance in some regions. You can also add a birthday if that's relevant to your campaigns. Birthday data is great for automated happy birthday messages or for tailoring offers by age, but it's optional. When you're satisfied, click Add Contact. You've just created a single record in your audience. Now let's import multiple contacts from a file. Back in the audience area, choose Import Contacts. On the Import Setup screen, select Upload a File. A simple spreadsheet saved as a CSV works best, but Mailchimp can also read other common text-based formats. For cleaner imports, include clear column headers like email address, first name, last name, and any other fields you track. Consistent headers reduce mapping errors in the next steps. Click Continue, then choose Select a File. Browse to the file on your computer, select it, and open it. Mailchimp will analyze the file and guide you through the import process. Click Continue to proceed. You'll typically see a preview of your data with each column lined up against a field in Mailchimp. This is called field mapping. Make sure the email column is correctly matched to email address. If your file includes extra details like phone, company, or custom attributes, you'll see those too. If a column isn't recognized, you'll have the chance to align it with an existing field or keep it out of the import. Clear, human-readable headers help Mailchimp guess accurately, but always review to avoid mismatches. During the process, you may be asked how to handle duplicates. Mailchimp can recognize existing contacts by email address, which prevents accidental duplicates. It's normal for large lists to include a few addresses already in your audience. You may also see options to add tags or notes as the import finishes. Tags are helpful for identifying the source of the list so you can segment later, for example, distinguishing event signups from website subscribers. Keep your choices simple and consistent. When you finalize, Mailchimp will start the import. For small lists, this usually completes in seconds. For larger files, it might take a bit longer. You'll get a confirmation with a summary of how many contacts were added and whether any rows were skipped because of formatting issues or missing emails. If something looks off, double-check your CSV headers and data consistency, then try again. That's it. You've added a single contact and imported a list from a file into your Mailchimp audience, setting yourself up for better targeting and smoother campaigns.